Everyone has different interests, hobbies, and needs. That's why technology is always changing so that it meets the needs of people. The latest technology for personal use is no exception, bringing exciting new features and capabilities to make life easier. From smart home appliances to the newest mobile phones and wearable devices, the latest technology for your personal use is here. Stay up to date with the most innovative products and services that will help you stay connected and make your day-to-day life more efficient. Explore the newest advancements in technology and find the perfect product for your needs. Here are some of the latest innovations available for use at home or in the office. Are you ready? Let's dive in. This is Technology Now. Number 1. Ember Travel Mug 2. The Ember Travel Mug 2 does more than keep your coffee hot on the move. It also doubles as a portable charger. Your coffee will never be too hot or too cold with this ingenious heated travel mug, which lets you pick the ideal drinking temperature and maintain it for up to 3 hours on the go. The Ember Travel Mug 2 is dishwasher and microwave safe and can be submerged to a depth of 1 meter. The dishwasher-safe, leak-proof cover is convenient. What's even better is that with each purchase of the Ember ED Edition, 3% of the purchase price will be donated to help fund global health initiatives or RED. Number 2. Anko Running Shoe. Introducing the Anko Running Shoe, the ultimate running shoe for performance, comfort, and style. Engineered with the latest technology, this revolutionary footwear is designed to maximize your running potential while keeping you comfortable and stylish. The sole of the shoe acts as a shock absorber. When the user is walking or running, the system will take in the force of the foot. When it falls to the ground, the energy is absorbed by the spring until the time comes to push off. Because of this, not only do these shoes ease the stress on your joints, but they also help you run faster. The sneaker was 12 years in the making and retails for $390. Number 3. UpCore. Our next innovation will help you develop your muscles, maintain proper posture, and reduce or eliminate back discomfort all at once. The UpCore is a high-tech back brace that includes a massaging feature. While it's not massaging you, it's there to support your back and encourage you into good posture. Because it penetrates the muscle fibers at a deep level while in massage mode, it has a very powerful impact. The designers of UpCore suggest using it once every day for about 23 minutes, and in only a few weeks, you should feel the difference. The approximate cost is $200. Number 4. Evolve Hadeen. Here we have the Hadeen electric skateboard from an Australian firm, Evolve. Hadeen Carbon is the first ever chassis skateboard deck. These handcrafted, forged carbon fiber decks are influenced by the technology seen in high-end automobiles. The high fiber content and a variety of strand orientations give this lightweight material a reputation for robustness. Evolve Board's signature slim design is maintained while providing 37% greater battery capacity and 4 times the performance of the GTR. The super carved suspension is made up of dampers of varying stiffness, all of which have been expertly calibrated. You may feel comfortable knowing that there is an automated brake indication and additional illumination installed. The maximum distance that may be communicated using Hadeen is 40 miles. There is a maximum allowed speed of 31 miles per hour. The skateboard was put through its paces on some of the world's steepest roads and performed well. The price ranges from $2,900 to $4,000. Number 5. Corki X. Cyclists have far fewer options for protecting themselves from harm while riding on public roads compared to vehicles. The experts at the French firm Tempo have developed a solution that alleviates the situation somewhat. In reverse, your Corki X sunglasses double as a mirror. You're able to see behind you without having to glance over your shoulder, which may be a distraction when driving. Due to its tiny size, the gadget has no noticeable impact on the vehicle's performance. Rates begin at $65. Number 6. Print Brush. This portable printer connects to your mobile device through an app. Intuitively functional and easy to use, whatever picture you desire will print out quite well. You can get everything you need online or make it yourself. The print brush's compatibility with a wide variety of media is a significant benefit. Paper, wood, cloth, plastic, and metal are all suitable for printing. The printer is less harmful to the environment because of its compact design and minimal component count. It produces half as much waste as a regular printer, reducing carbon emissions significantly. The cost is around $250. Alright, I just wanted to make sure you are enjoying this video. If you are, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our regular tech video posts. Number 7. Quanta Vici. What you see on your screens is another innovation that may greatly help those who like traveling or otherwise being away from home. Canadian firm Quanta Vici has created cutting-edge heated footwear and apparel. Adjusting the temperature of the heater is done using an app. Additionally, the thin skin-type fabric of the Quanta Vici gloves makes it possible to utilize touch displays while wearing the gloves to operate a smartphone. Moreover, you may go about your normal tasks without the gloves getting in the way. The price of the socks plus the gloves is $200. Number 8. Ninebot One S2. Riders that thrive on excitement and new experiences will feel right at home on the Ninebot One S2. It can reach speeds of up to 24 km per hour. Once you've mastered the One S2, you may go up to 30 km in either direction. The One S2's lightweight and built-in handle makes it easy to transport. Carry mode may be activated using the mobile app to prevent the wheel from turning while being carried. The One S2's Battery Management System, or BMS, constantly checks in on the device's 2 batteries to ensure their security and minimize the likelihood of a catastrophic failure. It's good to know that the One S2 can function with a single battery in case of an emergency. The One S2's blank sides let you put anything you want on them, from stickers to graffiti to paint. There are also hundreds of customizable lighting options for the One S2 that may be accessed using the Segway Ninebot app on your smartphone. Number 9. Edge Cinera. Cinera Edge's integrated Android operating system makes it as intuitive to use as a smartphone. Play local entertainment from a USB drive or SD card, or immediately stream from services like Netflix and HBO using Wi-Fi. The touchpad on the right side of the Cinera Edge lets you rapidly navigate the many options available. Dual next-generation 2560 by 1440 tiny OLEDs are at the heart of the Cinera, delivering stunningly vibrant colors, a high contrast ratio, and finely honed details. To top it all off, it can be used as a native 3D display straight out of the box. Number 10. Encompass Brush. The US firm Ryka introduced a game-changing approach to oral care. The Encompass Smart Brush outperforms ordinary brushes in both speed and effectiveness, and as a result, you can now brush your teeth in under a minute. The gadget's real secret is in the way it was constructed. The brush may be used to clean the upper and lower teeth simultaneously. Gentle pressure is applied due to the bristle's ideal angle. Up to 100 strokes may be made with the brush in a single second. Therefore, despite its cumbersome form, the Compass is effective in cleaning inaccessible areas. You may get it for as little as $130. Number 11. DJI FPV Drone. Fly with incredible velocity, strength, and command. Get ready to explore new worlds in the sky with this interactive and user-friendly platform. There are several ways in which the DJI FPV stands apart. Incorporating front LEDs and color-customizable aircraft arm lights, DJI FPV lets pilots make their aircraft as one-of-a-kind as they are. The device is controlled through a gaming pad-like interface or a motion controller. Regardless of your situation, flying the drone will be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. It offers 4K video at 120 FPS with minimal latency and high quality. Also, it is still legible at an extreme 150-degree perspective. With its aerodynamic and smooth body, the drone can go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. You can get the most out of it thanks to the 6.2-mile signal range. The DJI FPV drone, which allows the user to see what the drone sees, costs $1,300. Number 12. Torch. Are you a cyclist looking for a backpack that fits your active lifestyle? Look no further than Torch, the backpack designed specifically for cyclists. With its innovative design and storage options, Torch is the perfect accessory for any cyclist. The Torch's front and top openings and complete clamshell construction make it ideal for storing and quickly retrieving a wide variety of items. It has enough space for all of your equipment, and it even comes with its own compartment. A wireless phone charger is included in one of the side pockets. That lower storage space is dust-proof and can't be harmed by rain. Put your shoes or other items in there. This item costs $210. The latest technology for personal use is more advanced than ever before, and we can attest to that. With new features and capabilities, it is easier than ever to stay up to date with the latest technology and keep up with the ever-changing world around us. I hope you found this video entertaining. Again, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching. All the latest technological developments right now. This is Technology Now. I'll see you in the next video.